2. So that was a lot. So step 3. So this is where like we put the icing on the cake and we really make ChatGPT your business partner. So this is hard to do on a group call like this because I don't know all of your businesses and I don't know the inner workings of all your processes. But I am going to show you a feature that is probably going to be useful for all of you. So I teach you the features that are going to really elevate your business workflows. So today, for today's purposes, we're going to take a quick tour of my favorite and what I think is the most underutilized feature, and probably because people just don't know about it, but it's called Canvas. So, can if you've heard of Canvas, can you just give me a thumbs up? Okay, so nobody knows about Canvas. Yay, I get to teach you all something. This is awesome. Oh, hold on, let me check the chat. No, Tracy, it's actually Canvas. Okay, Caroline, you've heard of it? Yeah, so Canva is what I use to create these awesome slides. Canvas is something totally different in Chat GPT. So it's a game changer. So if you are doing any kind of writing in Chat GPT, you are going to love this. So I'm going to tell you what it is, where you find it, and how do you use it. So what Canvas is, so it's actually a little feature in ChatGPT, and I'll show you in just a moment where to find it and how to use it and play with it. But it was originally developed for people who were doing coding. So they would put coding in, and like when you're doing, I was actually teaching myself to code a few years ago. So I know that like you have to put stuff in and change it, and it's a whole thing. So it was originally developed for coders, but you can use it for writing. So the cool thing is, when you put a prompt into ChatGPT, you know it just spits out the information and then you have to copy it and paste it somewhere else, like a Word document, a Google Doc, or Canva, or wherever you need that text to be. Sometimes, though, ChatGPT, even if you train it really well, like sometimes you just want to tweak a couple things or edit a sentence. And so it's kind of a pain in the butt to like copy paste and then put it back if you need to. Like it can be kind of a process. And so remember me telling you at the beginning about the woman who is writing her content and then she would put it in AI and then she would have to write it again. So this is the tool that she needs to be using. So you can actually edit text in Canvas. So I am going to try to minimize my slides. There we go. All right, I want to copy this. So just FYI, this is the world's worst prompt ever. So don't copy this prompt. It's terrible, but I'm just doing it to show you purposes. So let's go back to Chat GPT, and I'm going to go to just a new chat. So we're in a new chat in Chat GPT. So this little plus sign down here, click on this, and then this drop down box comes up. This more tab over here, you're going to come over and Canvas. See, there's Canva, and then Canvas happens to be right above it. So it's the pencil with the star icon. So I'm going to click Canvas mode, and you'll know you're in Canvas mode because there will be a little blue little thing here that says Canvas. So now I'm going to paste my prompt. And like I said, this is the world's worst prompt, so do not copy this. So when I put my prompt in, it's going to take a minute because I have it in thinking mode. So you're going to see, notice this gray box that comes up. So this is where Canvas gets really cool. Okay, so what I did, I asked it to write a LinkedIn post for me about how awesome today's training is. So if I'm reading this and I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm actually not reading it because I'm talking and I can't do two things at once. My husband will tell you I'm really bad at that. So I'm not actually reading this. But if I wanted to edit whatever ChatGPT gave me, check this out. So up here in the top right of this box, you can copy, edit, or download. Click edit, and then it's going to hang on because it's going to totally change your screen. Okay, so now you have the original chat is over here. So this is like the normal chat GPT. And then on this right hand side, this is where you can edit things. So check this out. If I wanted to add some text here, yay. Now, if I looked at this paragraph and I didn't like it, so notice how there's this little plus sign here. And if I hover over it, it highlights that paragraph. So if I click that, now you can give ChatGPT a command or a prompt and it will edit for you. So I can say, make this longer. And then over here, it's going to do its little thing. And then you can see it's making it longer for me. So, like, for any of you doing writing in ChatGPT, Canvas is amazing.